Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English, one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word for today is correct, an A1 level verb meaning make right. To correct something means to make it accurate or free from errors. It's a fundamental word, used in countless situations, from marking assignments to adjusting recipes. In everyday language, we use correct to indicate that something was wrong and has now been made right. For instance, I need to correct the spelling mistakes in this email. So, what are some words similar to correct? Let's explore some synonyms. A good synonym for correct is rectify. Rectify means to put something right, to remedy a wrong situation. For example, the company is taking steps to rectify the mistake they made. Another synonym is amend. Amend implies making improvements or small changes to something, often a document or a law. We might say, the committee voted to amend the proposal. Yet another synonym is revise. Revise suggests looking over something carefully and making necessary changes, usually to improve it. For instance, I need to revise my essay before submitting it. How about adjust? Adjust is similar, meaning to alter slightly to achieve accuracy or the desired effect. For example, please adjust the volume so everyone can hear. Another great synonym is fix. For example, can you fix the broken TV? Now, let's look at some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of correct. One obvious antonym is incorrect. Incorrect means not correct, containing mistakes. We might say, his answer was incorrect. Another antonym is wrong. Wrong is a more general term meaning not right or true. For example, it's wrong to cheat on a test. A third antonym is erroneous. Erroneous means containing an error, mistaken. For example, the report contained erroneous information. And how about flawed? Something flawed contains imperfections or weaknesses. For example, the plan was flawed from the beginning. We could also consider imprecise as an antonym. For example, his measurements were imprecise. Let's see how correct is used in everyday life. Imagine you are proofreading a document. You might say, I need to correct any typos I find. If you are teaching someone, you might say, please correct your homework before submitting it. If you notice a mistake on a bill, you could say, I need to contact the company to correct this error. When giving directions, you might say, if you reach the library, you've gone too far. You need to correct your route. Let's use correct in some sentences and phrases. The teacher asked the students to correct their mistakes. Can you correct me if I'm wrong? The software automatically corrects spelling errors. The data needs to be correct before we can analyze it. It is important to correct misinformation when you see it. The aim is to correct any imbalances in the system. The editor helped the author to correct the manuscript. We need to correct the course of the ship. The government is trying to correct the economic situation. It's never too late to correct your mistakes. I hope you found this exploration of the word correct helpful. Remember, correct means to make right, and we explored several synonyms like rectify, amend, revise, adjust, and fix, as well as antonyms like incorrect, wrong, erroneous, flawed, and imprecise. Understanding these nuances will enhance your vocabulary and improve your communication skills. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. Your support means the world to me. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn English with us. Don't forget to create your own sentence using the word correct and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning.